Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Simply Saint. If you would like to see how I achieve this twist style with a little twist, then keep watching. But let me say, this is actually day 4 of having this hairstyle. I forgot to film the intro when I initially did it, so this is day 4. And let me do a 360. So if you guys would like to see how I achieve this hairstyle, then keep watching. So we're starting off on freshly washed hair. I washed my hair the night before, stretched it using no heat, and then earlier this day I moisturized using the LOC method using the Melanin hair care product. So I did the leave-in conditioner first, then I followed by the oil, and then I followed up with the cream. So right now I'm just braiding my hair into a design. I'm just using a little bit of edge control to define the parting area, but I end up redoing this style because I wasn't like that it was showing off my thinning area. So let me know in the comment section below, once you take a look at the other braiding pattern, which one you like better. And despite the fact that I have the thinning area, let me know which braiding pattern you like best. And if you can't braid, you can still achieve this style. You can do maybe connecting rubber bands, single twists, single braids, and then secure those into a design. Or you can do flat twists, and if you can't flat twist, you can do small French twists. And do a little design in the front to spice up your twist outs. So we're almost finished with the braiding design. So basically after I braided this section, I wasn't really feeling the part, so I had to position my hair to see if I can see the vision. And this is what I was looking for. This was the vision I was going for, but I wasn't too much feeling that thinning area. But we still carry on. We're still going to carry on. So starting off with a section in the back, and I'm going to be using the Melanin Twist Elongating Style Cream. And in that old OGX bottle, all I have in that bottle was water. So I'm just re-moisturizing my hair with water, followed by a little bit of the Twist Elongating Style Cream, and then twisting firmly all the way down to the end. And this is gonna be the section for my twist out. And your twist or your section in the back doesn't have to be straight. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just as long as you make sure your twists are firmly, the style will turn out good. So basically I'm misting my hair with water, followed by the Melanin Twist Elongating Style Cream, and then detangling with the Felicia Leatherwood detangling brush, twisting firmly all the way to the ends. So I'm going to repeat that section all throughout my hair, ensuring that my hair is moisturized and my twists are secure all the way to the ends, because if your twists are not perfect, then your twist out will kind of be frizzy or your twist won't be defined. And this section, while I'm going to be showing you guys, is not sped up. This is real time of how it is. So basically, it's not going to be a long entire process. I just take my time making sure each strand is coated with the Twist Elongating Style Cream. And then I detangle with the Felicia Leatherwood brush. And then I'm going to twist each section. So this is real time, not sped up, not slowed down, real time. So these are how everything looks. I'm gonna leave my twist air dry overnight. So basically this is what I'm gonna do once they're dry, to stretch them. So this is the next morning. Like I mentioned earlier, I wasn't feeling that braiding pattern, not because I didn't like the braid itself, but just because it was showing off a little too much my thinning area. So just wanted to hide that. So I'm gonna switch up the braiding pattern, and don't forget to let me know in the comment section below which braiding pattern you like, the first or the second one. Alright, so this is the last braid for the braided design for my twist out. So this section of my hair is not going to be as defined as the rest of my hair, just because the twist was only left in for maybe 30 minutes before I took down the rest of my hair. So this is why I didn't separate these sections. You'll see later on. It didn't have enough time to set, but I still wanted to show you guys the finished result. But you did get to see how the style looked days after in the beginning of the video. So we're just smoothing our edges a little bit just to get them a little bit neat, and we're gonna begin to unravel our twist. So this is how I had my hair in the bun, and then I clipped it up just so I can stretch it before I took down my twist. So before I separate, I'm gonna take down each twist, and then I'm gonna go back to separate them individually. But I didn't have to apply any additional oils to my palms or my hand, just because my hair was super moisturized, so I didn't have to apply any extra oil to separate. But if you feel like your hair is not moisturized or it doesn't feel smooth to the touch, you want to make sure you apply some oil to your hands and then use that to separate to reduce the frizz. So I separated each half of the twist into 3 or 4. The smallest section I did 3, the biggest section I did 4. You don't have to separate as much as I did, but I just wanted a fuller look. My hair is not that thick, so I separated a lot. But if you do want that defined look, you can do smaller twists when you do your twist out. That way you don't have to separate that many. That way you keep that defined look. So you can do smaller twists, so you don't have to separate that much. Or if you do larger twists, you can just separate into 2 and just keep that full fluffy look if you like that look. So you just have to play around with what twists you like. I usually like larger twists for my twist out, because the smaller twist, my hair is too defined and it looks a little bit too thin. But I did end up liking this amount of twists I did. So when I first do my twist out, I'm gonna do these size, but maintaining it throughout the week. I usually do 7 twists to maintain it throughout the week. So it's finished separating. I'm just playing around with the position of how I wanted to style that section. So this is how it looks right after separating and fluffing my hair. So basically I'm gonna just tie this small section using a rubber band. I just did it twice, not doing it too tightly, but that section on top kind of annoyed me a little bit because it didn't match the rest section, but we're still moving on. That mentioned that side didn't have enough time to set, so that's why I didn't fluff it up, but it still looked cute. Maybe I could have, wrapped it in a bun and see how that turned out, but we're still moving, just adding a little bit jewels just to spice up that area. So these are the finished results. I can't leave you guys without doing a little shake, but these are the finished results. I'm super in love with how the back looks, and this is how my cut didn't turn out too bad, and my hair did not get heat damage, of course, from the silk press I did without using any heat protection, and my twist out was super moisturized. I didn't have to re-moisturize until maybe day 3, no, actually day 4. I did film that video for you guys. So I wanted to thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate all the love and support. Thank you to the new subscribers. Thank you to my returning subscribers. Thank you for rocking with me. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you. All right, bye.